Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach during the sunset on 30 December 2021. So if you want to know how look like the situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach the end of the year 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach during the sunset time at the end of the year 2021. As we know together, Seminyak Beach is very beautiful to enjoy the sunset. And also on Seminyak Beach, there is a lot of nice cafe to enjoy the sunset with the beanbag. And also on Seminyak Beach, there is one cafe is very famous, we call Plancha. Okay guys, we see together how busy this beach today at the end of the year 2021. And actually in this video, I see also so many international tourists. So we can see together how busy international tourists today on Seminyak Beach. You see the front left side with the colorful beanbag. Yeah, there is La Plancha, and always busy there. Yeah, there's lots of people in La Plancha today. And also today the sun so hot. I mean, like, the weather is so beautiful. It will be really good sunset today. And you see in the video, there is everybody waiting for the sunset. So we can see together how busy today. Yeah, it is really busy, isn't it? There is a lot of people on Seminyak Beach today. That's good. And also some cafe in Seminyak Beach, there is some live music. Live music usually start from 5 p.m. until the sunset time. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. You see the sunset today? Yeah, the sunset will be coming soon. And the color is so beautiful with the golden color today. You see? Golden color is so beautiful. It's not so clear, the weather, but still very beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Seminyak Beach during the sunset at the end the year 2021. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.